Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to compare between Capacities versus Anytype. Looking for the best personal knowledge management tool in 2025? Today we're comparing Capacities and Anytype, two powerful apps for organizing thoughts, notes, and ideas. Which one is better for you? Let's find out. Capacities is a block-based note-taking app with a knowledge graph, making it great for structured workflows. Meanwhile, Anytype is local-first, privacy-focused tool that works like an offline Notion alternative with end-to-end encryption. Feature comparison. Data and privacy. Anytype is fully offline and encrypted, perfect for privacy-conscious users. Capacities stores data in the cloud but offers easy syncing across devices. Structure and flexibility. Capacities is great for relational thinking with linked notes and media integration. Anytype is more free-form, allowing custom object types and relationships. Ease of use. Capacities has a smooth user interface but a learning curve with its block-based system. Anytype feels more intuitive but is still evolving with features, pricing, and availability. Capacities offers a free plan with paid upgrades, while Anytype is currently free but may introduce pricing later. So now, after all this information, which one is best? If you need privacy and local storage, go with Anytype. If you prefer a connected cloud-based knowledge system, Capacities is the way to go. So which one do you prefer? Tell me down below in the comments and tell me exactly why. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.